Progress. Today, long awaited overdue task, getting the Escort running again. Been fitting some snazzy aerospace jobbings in the fuel pump department, and as it's been sat for a little while, we're just being extra cautious of getting a bit of oil down or any sort of lubrication down in the old cylinders there before we get it going, and then hopefully we'll get the old girl chugging along quite sweetly. This is the snazzy business under the body. So we got a nice little cut off switch there for when we need to make any other alterations. Shiny business. Good facet fuel pump, and then off to the engine bay and the rest of it. Just the wiring to do to get all hooked up, and hopefully should be back in business. What was that you were just saying, John?
I was just saying, Ciarán, that the engine's turning over quite nicely by hand. There's no resistance anywhere, so I think I'm just going to keep turning it over a little while with the oil in, just to lubricate the cylinders, and then we should be good to go.
Woo! Test 1. Just initializing the fuel pump. Click.
Test 1, fail. Testing, part 2.
Nice power, not a lot of noise from the fuel pump, which is good. Certainly quieter than the last one that blew up. Okay. Yep, it's all electric engine now. Well, one of the issues we've encountered is the section of the fuel line that seemed to be leaking, and ended up being this delightful mahogany, which I don't think is a good sign for the fuel line. How we repair things.
Today in the garage, John and Ciarán fix a starter motor with an angle grinder.
I'm not sure fix is the right word, but...
Today in the garage, John and Ciarán up a starter motor with an angle grinder. Ahoy down there.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Just putting a dollop of grease on my nubbins.
Greasing up your nubbins. What have you been doing this morning?
This morning has been predominantly Escort based rehabilitation.
Gonna see if we can get the old girl started, aren't we?
Yep, so starter motor has been, as best we can, refurbed, or at least cleaned up, repaired and non-seizing. then a little bit of tinkering with the carburetor to make sure that's all in order, running some new fuel lines, new connector on the carb, so we've got matching to the fuel line, and it should equal running engine and progress.
Well, let's find out after you've greased your nubbins.
Yeah.
This is it then. The moment of truth.
Part 7.
Part 17. Fuel pump seems to be working.
Let's get things primed. Obviously the carburetor is completely empty at the minute. And so that accelerator pedal feels a little bit weak. Probably because it's not moving.
Straight now. Ooh. Ooh.
So very close.
Signs of life a little bit.
It may still be trying to get fuel, so it may be a little starved.
Come on, Escort. Yeah, rev its nuts off. That seems a sensible thing to do.
That wasn't me, actually.
Oh, that wasn't actually you?
That was sticking open.
Ah, right, okay.
So, it might be a sticky cable or however these things work, but that started.
Definitely some life there, wasn't there?
That's something to have a look at.
So what did we find?
I think that one of the throttle mechanism had kind of jammed up slightly around the back. It's an intricate system, the whole carburetor and cables and stuff, but certainly more simple than fully on electronics and business. So I think I might have just freed up what the issue was, so I'm not going full throttle everywhere.
Shall we try again?
So let's try again.
Ah, there we are. The smooth, bassy timbre of a 1.3 Escort. I think that's a success. How does that feel, boss man?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Running engine.
Right, I should run it for a little while then, let the old girl warm up and get some oil through her.
Thanks again for watching the video. This is obviously the first proper video we've done of the Escort, and hopefully you've found it entertaining, and we do hope to bring you some more from this little beast, so stay tuned. As ever, if you have any comments or questions or anything, be sure to leave them in the section below, and give us a subscribe, thumbs up and the usual gubbins, and it's always much appreciated. We'll catch you next time.